What do you think, Katie? Yeah. Rice? No.
It's got a nice little aftertaste though.
This is not pudding. This is a solid.
Also called blood pudding. They said it won't rip. They said it won't catch fire, but I haven't tried it.
So dumb. What's up, guys? It's Katie, Brennan, and Ryan, and today, in preparation for our trip to England, we have James here with us from Fun Foods.
Chef James.
Chef James. And he is going to be making us some British foods, and we're going to be reacting to them. So I'm really excited.
The United Kingdom.
It's
not.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
British. It's the same. It's the same thing.
Knew that.
Nice job.
I knew that.
Anyway, continuing on. So yeah, we're gonna try some stuff, and we're gonna tell you guys if we like it.
React to it.
React to it. Get ready for our trip. So let's get it going.
Okay, so what we're going to do, the first thing we're going to bring in is a full English breakfast. Now, this English breakfast is missing the baked beans, but other than that, everything is fine. So I'm going to bring that in, and they get to try it.
I like that.
There we go.
I just said I was going to do that. Okay,
Looks
let's
like
start
a full
with
English breakfast.
Katie.
Oh my
that,
gosh.
And wait, I will explain everything. There
Okay.
you go.
Thank you.
French fries.
Okay, so what is your impressions?
It is
Brian's
definitely
already
a full,
eating it.
It's definitely a full English breakfast.
Yeah, there's a lot of things that these
This
look the
is
same. I
amazing.
don't know what these, but they're different. They look the same.
They're the same but different.
It kind of smells really good.
I like the look of the bacon.
and I like
It
tomatoes.
does smell
You
very
don't
good.
like it or you
It
do?
smells so good.
I like tomatoes, and I don't know what that is, but okay.
So you have bread, tomato, of course, fries, which is chips, because now you're going to England. Don't call them fries; they're chips.
Chips.
You got it?
What do you call potato chips there, though?
Crisps.
Chris, very good.
nice.
Well done. Then you have these are bangers.
Bangers and mash.
Sausage.
Very
Bangers and
good.
mash.
Bangers and mash. Of course, eggs, which you're probably familiar with.
Yeah.
Do you know what this is?
Bacon.
Bacon.
Very good. It's back bacon in England. Their bacon is not as crispy as what we would typically eat. And actually, that's probably the best cooked bacon I've ever seen.
Okay.
Oh, this right here is called black pudding. It also has white pudding. Not the type of pudding that we would normally
So
eat.
it does look the same.
It does look the same because it is technically the same. Okay, and I'll explain more about what it's called afterwards. Now, before we do this, have y'all been practicing your English accents?
Yeah, I'm so good at mine.
Okay, so we'll start with Brennan. Go ahead.
Hello, both. How are you
That's
doing,
not
mate?
Okay, next.
All right, guys, so I'm really excited to eat this food right now. We have a full English breakfast, and we have a friend here that made it for us, so let's eat.
That's actually really good. Go ahead.
I am so excited for this. This looks amazing.
Okay, so wait, hold on. Quick question. Are all y'all going to England except for him? He's going to Australia.
Yeah, he's going to Australia.
Okay, so that's good. He's going to Australia, they're going to England. Pretty cool. I like Australia. I'd like to go too.
Yeah.
But yeah, cool. All right, so go ahead and try out what you'd like. Save the pudding for last.
Okay.
Because it's pudding.
Will do.
Try a piece of each and see how it is. The chips are good?
Chips are dope.
Nice.
Good. Like I sausage you can skip the eggs if you want.
Sausage stuff is good. I love eggs. I'm going to eat them.
Okay.
Tomato.
Bacon?
I might like this bacon better than our bacon.
Same.
I actually,
Just slipped off my
I
foot.
love really crispy bacon myself, bacon. And when you order a bacon cheeseburger over there, it's almost like ham.
Yeah.
And it's like weird, it's like strange.
Chips are good.
Chips are good? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Chips are bacon. This is killer bacon.
It's,
I can't get over it. It's killer bacon.
Oh, yeah, the bacon smacks.
Undeniable.
Oh,
Bacon's good.
so good.
bangers.
Oh, those are good. I already had those. That's so
And do you
good.
know what bangers are?
Sausage.
Very good.
Bacon's so
Bread?
nice.
Is this just like bread?
This is bread.
It's just typical bread, but not bad.
I prefer American bread.
American bread.
Okay, I'm ready for the pudding.
Okay, so you want to cleanse your palate? So we can try the black pudding. Now this is the one I think we're all most excited about. Now does that look like the pudding that you would have here?
This is not pudding. This is a solid.
Solid. Okay, so go ahead, give it a try, and let me know what you think.
I'm kind of concerned about what it's made of. I feel like after we eat it, you guys are gonna be like, it's made of like pig nose or something.
It doesn't taste that bad. Just like
I don't like it.
some Tastes like some herb.
It's not horrible.
Okay, so what's your impression of it, Brennan?
It tastes like some herb that I'm trying to think of, but I can't think of right now.
What do you think, Katie? Yeah.
I might need a new napkin. I
Okay.
don't like that at all.
And for young Ryan, what was your impression?
I feel neutral. I know I don't like it. I don't hate it, but it's alright.
So
Still like the bacon.
now I will let you know something about black pudding.
Oh.
I'm sure it's made of
This is
something. You
where-
can
Now-
spit it out.
This is where it comes in.
Now here's the thing: black pudding is also called blood pudding.
Okay.
Can you
see,
guess why
that's
it's called blood
disgusting.
pudding?
That's gross. Pig blood? Is it pig blood?
It is pig's blood
That's disgusting.
and oatmeal,
Brennan's good. Brennan's done for. Brennan's done for.
encased in pig's intestines.
No way.
That is disgusting. That's absolutely
It
gross.
doesn't taste that bad. I'm not gonna lie.
It's
It
like,
doesn't
see,
taste
you
that bad.
liked how it
Well,
tastes.
that's it.
Well,
Why
not
does it not
you,
taste
but
No.
they did.
I
As
just
long,
love
as
it.
long as you didn't tell me it wasn't human, I'm good. As long as it's not.
Well,
I'm
you
not
see this
eating
cut
people.
right here? No.
Got it. That was disgusting. That's so gross. Why did I eat that?
I'm not gonna eat it
Oh,
now that I know that, but before it was pretty good.
Before? Okay. So it gets better after this.
I hope so. I definitely knew it was gonna be made of something gross.
He was like, "Can you guess what it's made of?" And I'm like, "I don't think I want to guess what it's made of."
Now I just want to show you this. This is shepherd's pie.
Oh, I love shepherd's pie.
You
It's
love it?
so great.
And of course I had to do a little UK.
Oh
That's
yeah.
awesome. I like that. That's
UK shepherd's
good
pie.
close up on that.
Okay, so we. Yeah, I wouldn't open that up very.
It's okay. It's okay. Well,
Here.
it's okay.
No, I'm joking. So what this is iron brew. I should have asked how you would say it.
It looks like urn
Yeah.
brew.
Iron brew.
Iron brew.
It sounds Scottish.
Brew.
It does sound.
It is Scottish.
Brew.
Boom.
So they love this in Scotland. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, I can smell it. It smells like Easter.
Oh, jeez.
It smells like toothpaste from the
Oh, it smells like kid toothpaste.
Yeah.
Tastes like it too.
Very carbonated.
Very good. Very good.
I just burped and then it's really carbonated. Oh my gosh.
I love it. That's. Oh, I might finish this one.
Now, I personally think it tastes like an energy drink in a way. Yeah, it's very
It's like a little
strong.
energy drink mixed with
stop
soda.
coughing?
It's
I'm
really
gonna bring American food. So I'll be eating McDonald's.
This is just like a
Starbucks.
taste overload for me.
And I'll dish out the shepherd's pie on here as well.
Oh, I'm really concerned about this one.
Nah, nothing. It's Scottish.
Scottish.
Is it normal food?
It's what they have for breakfast.
Breakfast.
So we are going to dish out some shepherd's pie.
I like the shepherd's pie.
You like shepherd's pie?
I love
So
shepherd's pie.
this is homemade shepherd's pie.
Oh,
Oh, that looks really tasty actually.
it's so good. It's so good. Mashed potatoes and then like meat and like carrots.
This is beef, by the way.
Yep.
Don't know. And yeah, thank you for thinking it through. There we go.
It's so good.
And the other thing you have on your plate is called haggis.
I've heard of haggis.
It's really good. Try it.
So
I don't really want to. Are you gonna tell us what's in it, or is that
Of
like?
course I'll tell you what's
Do
in
you want to
it.
tell me what's in it before I put it in my mouth?
No,
Absolutely
no,
not.
that would not be a good idea.
We have to get a real impression.
I'm really concerned.
It doesn't taste bad.
The haggis? Okay. What would you describe it as?
Rice. Oh,
Rice? No.
It's got a nice little aftertaste though.
I
that
can't.
I'm not too,
aftertaste.
I'm not too fond of.
Have you?
It can't be that bad.
Eat it, Ryan.
Come on, Bill.
It's not bad, trust me.
Ryan,
It's
really?
It's called haggis. That sounds like something from Harry Potter that like you get when you're in trouble. Like if you use the wrong spell, they feed you haggis for dinner.
You gotta eat it, bro.
No taste at all.
Do we have to hold him down and feed it to him? Dude, come on, please.
I might have to try his
come on.
mouth.
It's not bad. They actually have deep fried haggis in Scotland. Deep fried haggis, deep fried pizza is awesome, by the way.
Well, that
is,
actually
yes.
That sounds
It
incredibly
is
fattening.
really good.
Yeah, it sounds like a lot of calories. Right?
It is, but yeah.
I'll stick with
But
my iron brew.
iron brew. Haggis is, let's see if I remember this correctly. Google it if you're watching this, so I don't mess it up. But it is minced heart, liver, lungs, all served in an intestine.
Nice.
Again.
Great.
So
That
good. That
so
sounds amazing.
appetizing.
I'm so glad I put that in my mouth.
Of what?
Oh no, this is where it really
Whatever. It's all the leftovers of the animal goes into the sausage.
I don't use the whole animal. That's what I say. I mean, if you're gonna kill
They
it,
do.
use the whole thing.
Yep.
Haggis ingredients. Water, lamb hearts, oats, pork fat, lamb liver, pork, salt, dehydrated onion, malt extract, spices, onion powder, free from artificial colors or flavors. Thank you. Appreciate it. Traditionally, haggis is eaten with mashed potatoes and turnip rutabaga. For ultimate enjoyment, I don't think that's possible with haggis.
You can ultimately
This dish
enjoy
should be
that.
matched with a glass of Scotch whiskey. So by the way, if you guys want to see how all this food was made, please go visit James' channel at Fun Foods.
Link will be up there.
Because his house, I guess, smells like haggis, which is
So he made a sacrifice.
a lot. He made a sacrifice for this video, so please go watch that. There's a link right there. Ryan pointed to the wrong
Wait,
side.
is it that way?
No,
or
it's
that
this way.
It's that way.
Because I
Right
decided
above
to put it that way.
Okay,
So
fine.
right on his face. All right,
Check him out.
check him out. Let's move on to dessert.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with my favorite dessert, which is
I've had these before.
arrows. I love these. Now, these are two different flavors. We have peppermint and we have chocolate. Now, I'll turn it this way. This is peppermint, this is chocolate, and I think I have enough of each. There's 3 of each.
All right, so we're each gonna try both.
It's even chocolate.
This is my absolute favorite.
And he's 2 for £1.
Yeah, very good.
It's like Crunch Bars.
Oh, I love Crunch Bars.
Whoa.
Now that is the best.
That looks like slime.
No, it is so good though.
Let's see.
I love the peppermint one.
Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. I actually love this.
But it tastes like aired out chocolate.
It's so good.
Like,
Yeah, it's
I need
carbonated
chocolate.
chocolate.
it's bubbly chocolate.
It's very bubbly, yeah.
Exactly. That's what makes it great.
Now the next things I give you.
More dessert. I like this one.
Now,
Same.
these next things I'm giving you is I couldn't get the actual things I wanted to give you because they're illegal in America.
Oh,
It's, you know.
good.
No, not good. It's actually really good. And you know what they are, I'm sure. They're Kinder Eggs.
Oh!
Kinder Eggs.
Wait, why are they illegal
Here,
in America?
maybe do that. The Kinder Eggs are illegal in America because it's a choking hazard. Because they have a toy inside of chocolate.
You're messing.
Do not put them in your bag to take home. Trust me on this. Trust
Something has
me.
its small parts not for children under.
That is insane.
But this is Kinder Joy, which is legal
They
here
split it in two
because they
parts.
split it in parts. They keep the toy away from the food.
That is
So
ridiculous.
that's
What
how
Why? Come on. Our
on,
kids are really
America.
that dumb.
it's childproof.
Yeah, what? Can
That's what my friends say. They said, yeah, great. All those other things that are legal in America, but yet a
Right.
chocolate egg? Yeah, it's like, really?
Can we get these when we go there so I can actually like enjoy the full experience? Ah!
And that's your little scooper that
can't
you're,
open
Oh my gosh, it's scoops.
it's like a spoon.
Wait, I wanna do it so bad.
Are you having issues there?
Okay, we go.
There you go, yeah.
Which one's the? Which one's
Wait,
the?
how do I-
So that's your scooper, like
gotcha.
the thing.
Is this the food?
I believe that's the food and that's the toy.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Brennan's playing with the toy already.
These toys, this instructions are too hard
Oh.
for me to
I
understand.
don't know how I.
They're in that strange
Oh.
language, English.
I can see the accent on that now.
Ooh.
I like the chocolate part. Not sure what the white part is, but I like the chocolate better.
Oh, that's good. These
Wait,
things
this
are
is
so
really
good.
good.
Anything with chocolate, I'll eat.
You sure you want to know what that white stuff is? No, I'm playing.
Oh my gosh, I was
She was
almost done.
nervous. She was totally nervous. Okay, so we're not done with dessert yet. We have this box, and can you see what kind of flag that is?
Yeah.
English,
Jack.
United Kingdom.
What is that flag
British.
called?
Union
Union
Jack.
Jack.
Very good.
How did
well
you
done.
both know that?
I had that. What do you mean?
Open it up. Very good. Look at that.
Boom.
Whoa.
All
Whoa,
kinds of
hold
candy.
on,
Now,
hold on.
before, there's only one of everything in there, so you have to cut it up and divide it.
Okay, hold on. Let me
and
just. I'll do
So
this.
we got
for you.
the
Or
big
tear it
black
up.
with
Yeah.
You got, it's like 12, I think, different things.
That's so exciting. Hold on, ready?
I have mine.
This is good.
Uh-uh.
How?
No. Not that. That's not the move.
Americans' taste buds are not exactly the same.
I like it.
I don't think taste buds are the same.
Again, anything with
Sure, passing
chocolate.
down the next one. See, that
They
is
have
where.
Cadbury cream eggs, they call them. We call them Cadbury eggs, but they call them cream eggs. So
What is this? Whisper?
Whisper.
they also have a Whisper Gold.
Gold?
That's
The
really
Whisper Gold.
crunchy. I don't know about that one.
Tiniest bubbles, the biggest taste.
Why do they all have bubbles in them?
Maybe.
It's like
Yeah.
it's all the same.
It's like halfway
Yeah.
there. That's big bubbles. Picnic. Oh my gosh, tell me there's raisins in it.
This is smart.
Trail mix?
Yeah, trail mix candy bar.
Oh, that's kind of smart,
kinda fire.
actually.
That's
That's more, yeah.
Except I wish it was dark chocolate. Do they have dark chocolate? Because I feel like none
They
of
do have dark chocolate. In fact, you know what Almond Joy and Mountain Bars are?
Yeah.
Over there, they're called Bounty Bars.
Bounty. Like bounty hunters?
Like Bounty. Same exact thing, only they have the milk chocolate one without the almonds.
That's kind of fire. Double decker.
Double decker.
We love your
Hey.
buses in England.
Yeah, I really want to see what it is. Whoa.
It almost looks like a
It looks like a
Milky Way.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Yeah.
Milky Way.
I love Milky
But
Way.
it also has like little crispies in it.
Those are the Crunch Bar. Literally, Milky Way and Crunch Bar is my favorite.
Crunch is good. I do like that.
Next to Twix. I love Twix.
What is
I
this
know
stuff
that one,
inside?
Chief.
Marshmallow, I think.
Yeah, I'm not a big marshmallow fan.
Where'd your curly roll?
Where is my...
Your brother took it.
Doesn't belong in chocolate.
What is this? Oh, it's honeycomb.
Oh, it is honey.
I kind of like it.
That,
Doesn't belong with
that is
chocolate.
creative. That's...
Doesn't
Shout
belong
out
with
to-
chocolate. I like.
No, can I put on my curly
Hold on. Brand just ruined that side of the curly whirly. I'm gonna open it from this side.
It's hard to pull apart.
It's hard
I
to
just
eat.
want to see.
Yeah, it's hard to eat too.
She a beaut. Kind of chewy. It's gonna rip my teeth out.
So as you can
All right,
see,
what do you
when
think?
you eat chocolate,
Oh,
50 pounds.
50 pounds. 50 euros.
No.
Not euros,
Pounds.
pounds. Has the queen on it.
Bank of England. I
That's cool.
promise to pay the bearer on demand the sum of
20
50
pounds.
pounds.
20 pounds.
Kind of dope.
That is kind of dope.
Imagine having your face on all the
Who are those guys?
That'd be so sick.
Jason,
You're like,
Jason. It's stuck in my head.
you're like,
James
Now you'll
Bond
notice the difference.
and Matthew Bolton.
These are the new money.
That's
like it. It's, like,
see-through.
clear.
Why is that icy?
That's
Why
so
doesn't our
cool.
money look like this?
These guys are kind of cool.
Bruh,
I mean,
look at that money.
I like Thomas Jefferson.
Brennan.
The 20s will be that way, I think, in July.
Yeah, this is dope.
They're changing, and there you have to change your money. They are not going to take it once they like here when they change the hundreds. They'll still take it. Nope. You go to the bank, you have to change your money. I had to change my tens when I just went because I had old tens. Because I never change my money when I go because it's like why bother? I go too much.
Oh my gosh.
And then this is just like the 10 as far as
That's insane.
These are-
Why our money is so boring.
that's
There is
plastic
no
money.
enjoyment like reading.
That's not paper, it's plastic. So you can go through the washing machine and not like
that's
mess
cool.
up.
That's cool.
Didn't they?
They said it won't rip. They said it won't catch fire, but I haven't tried that. That will. Don't worry.
Ryan,
It's all
that
good.
one's regular.
It's fine.
You're so dumb. You're so dumb. You really didn't rip this.
That's the 5 and
I'm
10s,
so
but that's
sorry.
all good. No,
You
it's
can
not
still use
that.
it, correct?
Yeah, you can use it. It's just like American money.
Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry.
That's good.
I'm like, there you go. You're saying
So it won't rip. He's
Ah.
holding its money. Yeah, no, but it's all good.
Okay, guys, so we have officially eaten all of our English foods, and to be honest, I don't really know how I feel about it. May or may not be eating your food, may or may not be bringing McDonald's and Starbucks to your country, and I'm really
Okay,
sorry
well.
about it. Anyway, so thank you so much to James for making this video possible. Be sure to go check out his channel at Fun Foods. He's making lots of fun stuff over there.
Making fun food.
Making
That's what
fun
it does.
food.
It's fun
Making
food.
Yeah. So anyway, go check that out. Comment below what country you guys are from. Tell me if you guys have ever eaten any of this, or if you eat haggis on a daily. If you do, I'm so sorry for you. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like and share this video with your friends and your family and whoever you think might like it. We'll see you in the next video.
See you in England.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to thumbs up and subscribe. See you later.